Hi, this is Matt Paulson. Today we're going to look at a World War II bomb shelter on Mirror Island. Let's see what it's inside. A lot of wood shelves. I guess this would be for canned products and rations. And then we go down the hallway. Looks like a storage room. To the right, we have bedrooms. Let's see what they look like. A little scary, but at least you can see where you're going. Let's see the first bedroom. Not much to see. Empty. Okay, let's go look for the second bedroom. And we hang a right. And see what's in there. Oh, it's more of wood shelves and for storage. That's not the bedroom. Let's go look at the last room on the right, and that's a bedroom. There it is. Okay, so that's an empty room. And that's the entrance to get in. And over on this side, we have another way out, exit. So that is a whole World War II bomb shelter at Mirror Island. Like and subscribe.